If you want to advance beyond basic spreadsheet skills, creating dynamic charts is a good place to begin that journey. The key is to define the chart's source data as a dynamic range. By doing so, charts based on that data will automatically reflect changes. Fortunately, this is easy to accomplish if you're willing to use the table feature. Subscribe my channel and let's begin. First, convert a data range into a table as follows. Select the data range. Using the dataset shown, you'd select columns. Click the Insert tab. In the Tables group, click Table. If the table doesn't have headers, be sure to uncheck the My Table Has Headers option. Click OK, and Excel will format the data range as a table. Any chart you build on the table will update automatically. To illustrate this efficient behavior, create a quick column chart. Select the table. Click the Insert tab. In the Charts group, choose the first 2D column chart in the Chart drop-down to create the simple column chart. Now, update the table by varying values and watch the chart update automatically.